Sometimes in our lives, Allah puts us in a position where it is very easy for us to assist others, but we don't intentionally. We make life difficult for them purposely, as though we're gaining a joy by delaying them or hassling them, troubling them. That is criminal. We should never do that. If Allah's given you ease, you should help the people. You should make life easy for them. If Allah has put you in a position of authority of any sort, whether it happens to be a managerial post, whatever else it may be, remember to treat those below you with utmost respect. Make life easy for them. Allah will grant you. They will remember you. They will pray for you without you knowing for years, for decades to come. They will continue praying for you and your family. And even though they may not know the broader loved ones of yours, but they would actually pray. So remember this. If you are to make life difficult, they would have remembered you for something bad, for something harsh. I'm sure there are people in our lives we wouldn't ever like to see them again. And there are others we pray to Allah that He allows us to cross paths so that we can just greet each other. I love you, my brother, my sister, for the sake of Allah Almighty. You've really, really helped me a lot. And that's it. Nothing more.